Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In Lecture 4, we're diving into the groundbreaking work of Ernest Rutherford, a New Zealand-born physicist who lived from 1871 to 1937. Known for his monumental contributions to nuclear physics, Rutherford introduced the nuclear model in the early 20th century. Rutherford's model was the first to propose a central massive nucleus, fundamentally changing our understanding of atomic structure. His insights explained the behavior of positively charged alpha particles in his famous gold foil experiment, where he observed that while most particles passed through the foil, some were deflected, suggesting a dense central nucleus. This discovery laid the groundwork for our understanding of atomic structure and radioactivity. In 1911, Rutherford introduced his nuclear model. According to this theory, atoms consist of a small, dense nucleus with a positive charge and most of the atom's mass, surrounded by electrons that orbit the nucleus like planets around the sun. This model explains why some particles can pass through atoms while others bounce off, and it forms the basis of our current understanding of atomic structure. However, the nuclear model had its limitations. It didn't explain the stability of the nucleus against electrostatic repulsion. It lacked details about electron orbits and energy levels. It didn't incorporate the principles of quantum mechanics. That's all for today. In our next lecture, we'll explore Niels Bohr's atomic theory. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.